One simple question, but it carries judgment, comparison, and sometimes an insult. So recently, a student asked me, "Why did you choose BMS? Didn't you got MBBS?" So this is a very seldom asked question, but this question often holds a grudges of comparison and also sometimes the judgment. So I thought sometimes I do get angry over the questions that has been framed to be very diplomatic, but rather than reacting, it is our responsibility to respond to the question. इसलिए ताकि जो जनरल पब्लिक हमें देख रही है वो भी समझ पाए कि व्हाट इज द ग्राउंड रियलिटी। सबसे पहले लेट्स सी द रियलिटी ऑफ द क्वेश्चन। सो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि व्हाई डिड यू चूज बीएमएस। सो बीएमएस इज अ वेरी कॉन्शियस पाथ, और जो बच्चे होते हैं ना वो कॉन्शियसली बीएमएस चूज करते हैं बिकॉज समटाइम्स आइदर दे बिलोंग फ्रॉम a pd of ayurvedic doctors, or either they are very much fascinated by the studies pattern or the context that we study in ayurveda. But sometimes it is not whole solely कि हाँ they choose very consciously, because awareness about ayurveda is very less, especially in India. Here, demarcations as such is made. Who will marry your daughter if you send her to study a course, something that is so suppressed? So, this is a very common thing that we hear in India, being suppressed, being oppressed, being it a subject, they are making it suppressed. So, this is the responsibility as an educated person to bring on to the platform that what exactly the knowledge is behold, what exact knowledge is behold, what exact knowledge is beholded in India. That is what I meant to say is BMS is a very conscious path, just as an MBBS. Okay, MBBS equals success is stated in the society, but it is not. So, second part of the question would be, what is my reality or what is my answer to it? So, सबसे पहला बात है, yes, I did choose BMS very consciously because I made up in my mind कि मुझे और ड्रॉप नहीं लेना है। ओके, बिकॉज इन द कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट जहाँ मैं पढ़ती थी वहाँ लोग थार से आते थे और हम बच्चों को बोलते थे कि हाउ यू कुड क्रैक नीट व्हेन दे देमसेल्फ कुडंट, एंड दे यूज्ड टू से कि हमारा नहीं हुआ बट हम आपका करा सकते हैं। वी आर सराउंडेड बाय सच अ हिपोक्रेट पीपल एंड वी हैव टू मेक अ कॉन्शियस डिसीजन फॉर आवरसेल्व्स। सोसाइटी वुड से एनीथिंग, they'll say and believe that they are made to believe. And if you want to stand out, you have to make your own narratives, which I did. I explained to my parents what is first. I was preparing for the NEET, obviously, and I was preparing for MBBS. But before 2 to 3 months before giving NEET, I got the ground reality कि okay, I was not scoring up to 600 marks, and for my category, if I am not scoring 600, I cannot get a seat, and that is what exactly happened also. Like in 2023, my friend got 600, and she was also belonging to a reservation category, but she didn't got the college. Of in the year 2023 went so high that she was not able to get a government college even at the marks of 600. So this is what I predicted like 6 months back only, that if I don't score 600, there is no place. There is no place for me to get into a government college, and I have to find another alternative because I am not going to take another drop. I'm not going to waste my year. I'm not going to waste what hobbies, passion I do hold in myself, because I'm a person with hobbies. Okay, I always intended to have a very disciplined life with sports. So this thing of drop year was whole making my mind so insane, because you're particularly dedicating your whole time, situation, and kind of your every little energy into that one thing, and eventually it is not going to people that motivates you. कोई बात नहीं, you gave your 100%, नहीं हुआ तो क्या हुआ, but somewhere in your mind अगर तुम्हारा नहीं हुआ तो people will consider you as a failure, and no one will see the hard work behind it. No one ever. Even your parents sometimes forgets the work you have put it to get through those low scores also, that also required for you to put on so much of work. So this is what happens with other people, but you are not other people for yourself. You know what is best for yourself, you know what exactly you want, and that is what hit me. Okay, so it was my very conscious decision कि I'll move on to any other path. If this year I do not get into MBBS, this is not going to be the year I take another drop. So I consciously search for other branches, other subjects that could really take my interest on. And when I came about Ayurveda, I researched about it. I studied the subjects they are gonna taught us and what are the scopes and jobs and everything. And at that time, in 2023, I think the hype of Ayurveda have just started. It was not on the boom as it is now in 2026. It is on the boom globally, socially, and socio-economically. Tino wise, it is on the move. And we'll further discuss in our very next video how and why it is. So at that time, it was not at that high, but it was starting to be at a high. But what I felt inner wise, that I'm already a philosophical person. I am a old school person. I am a philosophical person, and there was nothing as such in Ayurveda that I thought was orthodox or could not be possible, because I was already a person who was very much resistant to antibiotics. Like in my body, antibiotic was not suiting me, and it was already I moved to homeopathy, and I was already seeking 1 to 2 medicines that were Ayurvedic. So it was already my inclination has moved towards other pathies too. So it was not very hard for me to believe that yes, there is possibility that other pathy could serve me the same means that I wanted from my career. MBBS was a means for me to build a career. It was not a career for me. A career for me is something that would build myself into a successful platform, that would lead me to a successful platform. That is a career. MBBS was just a means to build it. So yes, this was my personal opinion. Now let's address the comparison of MBBS to BMS. So first of all, I would say there is no comparison. Why it is so? Because we cannot match the level of emergency surgery and ICU cares. Whereas Ayurveda is so powerful in preventive medicine, lifestyle disorders, as well as managing the root cause. It is so powerful. So these both sectors have their own strong roots, and we cannot uphold, we cannot be so judgmental about mixing these two pathies or even comparing. It will be very stupid of our knowledge to compare any two pathies, that too in a medical field which is serving people. The main purpose should be the knowledge and serving the mankind as much as possible. The knowledge of Ayurveda is very delicate, the knowledge of biomedical science is very delicate. One is thoroughly written, one is thoroughly researched. It's two different fields, two different pathies, but yes, they combine together to serve one purpose, and that is the humankind, and we cannot compare them. It is totally wrong of us to compare any pathies. And second of all, if you talk about the respect and career wise, so again I would say the respect comes from your own knowledge, the skills, the communication, the ability that built in yourself, and not the merely on the path that you choose. Because even if you are an average MBBS student or an average BMS student, you stand nowhere. These both fields are highly competitive fields, and requires so full on dedication. The BMS students who are watching this, परोपक्त बनिए रिसर्च में, क्लिनिकल डायग्नोसिस में, और साथ में जो आप संहिता पढ़ रहे हो, जो उसके सिद्धांत है, उसमें परोपक्त बनिए, उसको जितना हो सके थॉरली गो थ्रू होइए, और उसको पसंद अगर नहीं आ रहा है तो अपने गुरु के पास जाइए, शिक्षक के पास जाइए, उन लोगों के पास जाइए जिनके पास आयुर्वेदा का प्रॉपर नॉलेज है, जो आपको प्रॉपरली वो चीज़ सिखा सकते हैं, आपको उसमें इंटरेस्ट डेवलप करा सकते हैं. क्योंकि being it BMS, being it MBBS, it is just a way to build your career. So you should be the one who is decisive, who should decide what are the skills that I need to develop, what are the courses that, what are the what are the knowledges, what are the clinical practice, what are the diagnostic tools that I could indulge myself in that would give me the ultimate success in that particular field. That is to become the expertise of one particular. So the one who have chosen your field consciously and you are already doing BMS. So do comment future Vadya, and thank you for watching.